Good morning, thank you, sir. Well, finally, my dream has come true. It's always been my dream to be chauffeured to work in a Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Well, that dream has still not come true until I employ a driver. Well, maybe one day that will be possible. But anyway, one of my dreams is coming true because I've always had a dream to work on the best cars in the world, especially when it comes to SUVs and 4x4s. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan is a full-size luxury crossover sport utility vehicle manufactured by Rolls-Royce Motor Cars as the brand's first ever all-wheel drive vehicle, and it's named after the biggest diamond ever found on this planet. Of course, it's called the Cullinan. The first car was released in 2018, and this car has been assembled in the United Kingdom in the Goodwood factory. Now, this is a very long vehicle. The length of the vehicle is approximately 210 inches, about 78 inches wide and approximately about 72 inches high. It has a huge 6.75 litre V12 petrol powered engine with an 8-speed transmission. This is the ultimate model when it comes to Rolls-Royces. Actually, one just below the Rolls-Royce Phantom, which is at the top of the Rolls-Royce list. Like I mentioned in my previous vlogs, I took the title of the king of customizations when it came to Mercedes G-Wagons. But could I potentially become the king of customizations on Rolls-Royce Cullinan? Well, let's see what the future lies for me and my team. But anyway, this is our first Rolls-Royce Cullinan facelift conversion that we are doing. It's in the workshop now. It's going to get all stripped down. But let's do a quick comparison and have a look at this car and how it's going to be transformed and what we will be doing. Well, the Series 2, it was released in 2024. Features no changes to the powertrain, but features revised styling, which includes a new front bumper, headlights, an illuminated grille which obviously lights up, and it's got a nice kind of illumination behind that big grille on the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, and larger 23-inch alloy wheels. On the interior, the Series 2 features new interior materials, and on the rear of the car, the rear bumper is changed with some larger exhaust, and also the rear lights are changed and updated. The boys are starting from the rear of the bumper, and I've heard a saying that a lot of these Rolls-Royce parts are from BMW. Like Matt Armstrong said when he was repairing the Bugatti, he said most of the parts for the Bugatti were from VW. So what are your thoughts on the Cullinan?
It's grown on me, and I wasn't really a fan of it. I thought it was a bit too big, like a boat or a yacht. But now, I think I'm a big fan of the Lamborghini Urus. But after driving this around the car park, I think this is...
You have been driving around the car park, haven't you?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah, I've seen you actually. It feels like a boat, doesn't it?
It's beautiful. I reckon this is #1.
So this actually came out back in 2018. I'm not going to lie to you.
I wasn't a fan.
I wasn't a fan.
Yeah.
I thought it was like a hearse.
Yes.
I thought maybe it's good for funerals, etc. But it's like anything else. Like when the Defender came out, the new Defender, I didn't like it. But you probably just grow to it. Like when it's a new design that's released, it's new to the eye, for the brain to adapt. And eventually, we start adapting. If you look at all these new electric futuristic cars, we're all adapting to them. But yeah, so the Cullinan is a beautiful car. The top, I think when people work hard, they succeed. I think the ultimate goal is probably owning a Rolls-Royce, or maybe a Rolls-Royce Cullinan, but definitely a Rolls-Royce. I think it is one of them.
It's something that,
yeah, it's a statement car. It's a tick on the bucket list as well.
Yeah.
What do you think of the Series 2 conversion?
It's a lovely conversion. Series 2 is about £500,000.
£500,000. So you spend about £15,000 with us, and you can transform your 200 grand car into looking like a £500,000 car. Don't be ripping it off, mate. It's not easy taking or stripping down a Rolls-Royce. Obviously, a lot of these parts are hand-built when they build these Rolls-Royces in the Goodwood factory in England. And obviously we've got to strip it down, make sure that we keep every single screw, bolt is taken out. There must be about 50 little clips, screws, bolts, and the bumper is still not off. So the Rolls-Royce Cullinan headlights are not xenon or halogen. They actually use LED technology. So these are laser headlights that provide very high intensity, bright white illumination for maximum nighttime visibility, offering much longer range than the traditional systems. They also have a daytime running light on the new one compared to the older one. They actually has one that goes on the outer, that just goes along the top and down the bottom. But the new generation 2 is very similar and a lot more brighter and sharper. It goes all the way across and all the way down as well, which gives it that signature look. So this is one of the main differences as well. And also this is all blacked out and the lens is also dark as well. Again, you can see the comparison from the older one to the new one. And that is one of the main changes of the Series 1 to 2. Luxury at the highest level, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. If you want to be king of the road and obviously drive around in style or possibly be chauffeured around in style, then you need to work up to a Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Right, you genuinely do feel like a king stepping out this Rolls-Royce Cullinan. This is the most ultimate, most luxurious SUV in the world. What do you get after a Rolls-Royce Cullinan? Probably a helicopter, a yacht, private jet. Well, if it's on the road and you want to be king of the road, you need to be owning a Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Let me introduce to you the first in the UK, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 1 to a Series 2 transformation. It looks almost identical to a Series 2. There's a lot of work to get it to this point. Of course, it's a Rolls-Royce, and you know how Rolls-Royces are built, or should I say, hand-built. And only the best could work on cars like this, because you gotta get it right, because it's a very, very expensive car, a very exclusive car, hand-built, handcrafted. So you gotta make sure when the work is done, it's done to the highest of standards, because that's how Rolls-Royce work. That is their work ethic, and that's how our work ethic is at Enkahnz. We work to Rolls-Royce standard. But do you approve of our work? Well, let's check it out. So let's start from the front end. As you can see, the older one had the older style headlights, but now the front end has been completely redesigned. As you can see from the front bumper, the slimmer lights and the vertical signature DRLs, which probably showcase the biggest difference from the Series 1 to 2. But as you can see, the front bumper has been modernized. As you can see, these little fins in the front grille bring it to that modern era with the new style of cars that are on the road today. It looks very powerful, Obviously the intakes sucks in all the air into the radiators, which makes it look more aggressive, more modern should I say. And you've got the front grille. Now this is a standard version. We also do the black badge version as well, which come all in black chrome. And for the first time, Rolls-Royce have introduced the new Pantheon illuminated grille. Now this has the glowing DRLs, or should I say the mood lights in the front grille, which look very, very luxurious and quite smooth actually. I really do like this idea, and we probably will implement it in some of our other customizations, but this is a standard feature on the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, and that does look very, very modern and in with the times as well. So you can see the DRL signature light. Now these are the black version. You can see all inside. The inserts are all black, which makes it look very high end. Normally the older ones were a little bit more clearer, but these are a lot more darker from inside, and the signature DRL does make it look a lot more modern and in with the times again. Also the front top grille section has been changed as well. It sticks out slightly more prouder from the older version. It's also baffled me the quality of the workmanship on this car. It's perfect. You can see the lining is absolutely perfect, just like the Rolls-Royce standard. The gaps are equal all the way across, flush with the headlights. Now I've got the 22-inch black badge alloy wheels, and we also do have many alloy wheels to upgrade for your Rolls-Royce Cullinan, and you can put the Series 2 black badge wheels on, or a collection of Badaxite alloy wheels that we have that fit the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. But many options for the alloy wheels, but standardly the Cullinan Series 2 come in 22-inch and 23-inch. Right, coming down the side of the car, nothing has been changed, as the Series 1 and Series 2 is almost identical from the side of the car. We left all the original chrome trims on here. Normally we do black them all out. That's if the customer opts for the black badge version. Now coming around the back of the car, as you can see, the rear bumper has been changed and transformed. So the rear, we have the revised rear bumper, and we have the larger exhaust surrounds, which are in chrome. Also we have them in black as well, so that's if you opt for the black badge version. You can see the extra chrome trim that goes on the lower bumper compared to the older model. So the exhausts are larger, and people probably ask, could you change the exhaust, customize them? Of course we can, but this looks very similar to the original Series 2, so possibly I don't think many people would change that, but there is an option to change it. And like I said, if you want to add a body kit onto this, we can also add a body kit, but soon we will be making the Badaxite body kit for the Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2, so stay tuned for that. But we have many other body kits in stock for the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. You can get in touch with us or check out our shop, enkahnz.co.uk, and can see all our products on there. And we do offer some exclusive trade discounts and also special offers for all our viewers, so do check our shop. Now let's just finish off with the bumper. As you can see, the bumper wraps around all the way across. The older bumper is just a normal boring plastic trim that goes all the way across. Now this has been color coded as well, and the rear lights will be in stock on the next Rolls-Royce Cullinan that we do. We will facelift the rear lights as well, and also we do have a black badge version that we are currently working on, so stay tuned for that vlog. So we do have optional extras for the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. We do have the rear spoilers, top spoilers, wheel arches, many alloy wheels, and many body kits in store. But also, what's the difference from the inside of the Rolls-Royce Cullinan to the Series 1 to 2? There's not many changes of the inside of the interior from the Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 1 to 2. So the dash, it has a new full width glass fascia and updated digital display system. It has the latest Rolls-Royce Spirit operating system and connectivity upgrades. The seats have also been updated. The new Duality twill bamboo fabric option and new bespoke interior options are available on the Series 2. And last but not least, the engine has not been changed. It's the standard 6.75 litre twin turbo V12. Same engine, Series 1 and Series 2. So there are the slight changes on the inside. Do we do the updated interior from the inside? Not yet, but stay tuned. I think by the end of the year we should have all the upgrades for the interior as well. But for now, it's only the exterior. And to to finish it off, of course, when you're driving the Rolls-Royce Cullinan about, you've got to make sure the spirit of ecstasy is risen. So the spirit of ecstasy works with the original settings of the car, so no issues with that at all. But you got to drive it with pride, of course. And if you want to hire out a Rolls-Royce Cullinan for your birthday party, for a prom, for your wedding, or any special occasion, please do get in contact with us, because we have some awesome hiring packages on the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. So please do get in touch. This transformation is absolutely phenomenal. Like I said, I don't need to speak. Car speaks for itself, and also the workmanship and the transformation that we've done on this car. So if you also own a hiring company, you can obviously transform your Series 1 to 2, because obviously a customer would prefer a Series 2 compared to a Series 1. As you know, there's so many Rolls-Royce Cullinans out there in the market owned by hiring companies, and why not? It's a brilliant and value for money transformation. Get in touch with us, and we do offer trade discounts as well. But do we do any other Rolls-Royce conversions? Yes, we do. We do it for the Rolls-Royce Wraith, Rolls-Royce Ghost, Rolls-Royce Phantom, and we've got many more transformations and facelifts coming for the Rolls-Royce collection. But thank you for watching this vlog, guys. Please do get in touch with us if you have any questions, and hopefully we can transform your Rolls-Royce Cullinan. So this is exclusive to you guys, the first in the UK. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next vlog.